Hey Robert, this is Rebecca Lane, your CRP instructor, and I wanted to give you a little bit of feedback on your first draft. So you're off to a really good start. I like that you're using slides, and when you get to this, you have a nice about three-minute presentation that you give us, and so you're off to a good start here. It needs a little bit of work. Okay, so first of all, I love that you have chosen Square Enix. You've been really specific, and so I like that you've done that. Go ahead and look back at the materials, the reading material, and look at how Square Enix. See how you can segment your audience. Remember, Nancy Duarte talks about segmenting your audience and resonate. And how can you relate? You talk a lot about really loving Square Enix products and being very familiar with their games. So the other question I have for you is, what role do you want to play for them? Do you want to be a salesperson? Right now, your familiarity with their games makes it sound like you're a salesperson. But if you want to go into design, you're going to have to talk about some other skill sets. I know you talk a little bit about drawing in here. It's not quite enough, okay? With what you've got, right now you're using a template, and a template is okay, but you're going to have a lot more success with this assignment if you veer away from the templates. I like that you've got a really simple, and I like that you've finished the images very nicely, so good job doing that, but really think about making the text more of an element, more of a graphic element. So by that I mean make it bigger. So making this text larger allows you to make it feel like more like it belongs there. You know what I mean? More like it belongs there. And so right now I'm just playing with the font size, right? Maybe we don't even need that Y, right? So start to think about how you design this. Okay? And really make this a little bit more of of a graphic element. It's kind of like this. So in this video, that was one of the examples. This student really makes the text a graphic element.
Connor Adams. But who I am, that's what you're about to find out.
You see how it's really focused.
I can tell you what I'm not.
And notice how he has really minimal text.
It was 3 years ago I made the decision that I wasn't going to be afraid to.
Okay? So that is something that will really work for you. Start to make these images a little bit bigger. So notice when I made that bigger that it started to pixelate. So that's not good, right? We don't want it to pixelate. So maybe you need to find a higher quality image to work. And we also want to make sure that when we push play here, that your sound is going to play automatically. When you submit this final video, you're going to submit it as a video on YouTube. So make sure you make it so that it can play on its own. So let's look at this. So one of the things I'm seeing here is this is clearly sitting on your lap. You see how it kind of bounces and rebounds and stuff like that? It doesn't look kind of professional. So I would recommend if you are going to video yourself talking, you need to make sure you rearrange this so that it's not. Okay? So you're really showing that you're a dedicated customer, but does being a dedicated customer make you an amazing employee? Right now you're starting to talk a little bit about the journey, which is kind of what we were trying to get you to do up here, right? So going into your journey, and this company made you want to go into art, and so now you want to give back, right? So make sure you tell them, because being a fan is not the same as being a good employee. So what skill sets do they need? If you look at the job site for Square Enix, like what positions are available, what is the name of the title you'd like to have, and all of that stuff. All right, let me know if you have questions. I look forward to seeing how this evolves, and I will talk to you later.